Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Viber data on your iPhone. Whether you are running low on storage, want to clear your chat history, or just want to start fresh, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. First of all, find the Viber app on your home screen. Now click on it. Tap on to the More tab, which is on the down right corner. Here you can find the settings option. Now tap on it. Next, tap on to privacy option. Now scroll down till the end. Now here you can find the personal data. Now tap on it. Tap on to delete your data and select the delete data option. Finally, tap on to delete. Now the process of deleting the data has been requested to the Viber. You can see we have received the message also. And your data will be deleted in few minutes. And that's it. This is how you clear data on Viber app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.